Cottage cheese ice cream is trending right now, but the real question is it any good? We had Devin whip up 4 different kinds of cottage cheese ice cream in the studio kitchen.
45 seconds. This is our Organic Valley peanut butter and jelly cottage cheese ice cream. Throw it in the freezer and enjoy it in about 3 hours.
3 hours later, we took our cottage cheese ice cream out for some honest feedback.
I know it's cottage cheese, but it's good.
I think it's delicious.
I like it.
Is there yogurt in here? Because it feels thick.
What would you say if we told you the secret ingredient was cottage cheese?
No way.
It's delicious.
Do you like it? I have mixed feelings about it. Because of the texture. It's not like ice cream.
I love ice cream.
How many out of 10?
4.
What do you think of it?
It's just different.
Yes.
The results are in. It's good, but it's not ice cream.